Looking for a high-capacity battery for your solar energy system or DIY power projects? Meet the Tewaycell 280Ah LiFePO4 battery, available on Aliexpress. This is a Grade A lithium iron phosphate cell, offering 100% sufficient capacity and exceptional durability. With a nominal voltage of 3.2 volts and a typical capacity of 280 amp-hours, this battery is perfect for building 12V, 24V, or even 48V packs for solar setups, RVs, and backup power systems. It features an internal impedance of less than 0.25 milliohms, ensuring stable performance and high efficiency. The recommended charging voltage is 3.65 volts, and the discharge end voltage is 2.5 volts. Built with a strong aluminum shell, each cell weighs about 5.5 kilograms and measures 174 by 72 by 203 millimeters, making it compact yet powerful. One of its biggest advantages is its incredible life cycle. At 80% depth of discharge, you can expect over 6,000 cycles, and at 70%, more than 8,000 cycles. That means years of reliable energy storage for your projects. Plus, shipping is convenient for EU customers, with fast delivery from local warehouses and no extra taxes. If you need a battery that combines safety, efficiency, and long life, the Tewaycell LiFePO4 is the perfect choice. Check the link in the description to order yours today.